How to add Instagram feed to Canva website. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Instagram feed to Canva website. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Canva, you can also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Canva, it is a cloud-based graphic design platform that enables individuals and teams to create professional quality visual content easily, even without prior design experience, in which it offers a wide range of customizable templates for presentations, social media posts, documents, videos, marketing materials, and many more, along with drag and drop tools, stock photos, icons, fonts, and design elements. So now to start, we can simply go to the template section and search for the website template, since this is basically what we're going to do to add the Instagram feed. I'm just going to choose here a random Instagram feed. As you can see, some of these are offered for free, while some of it need to have a premium account. Now after successfully choosing here this template, we can now start navigating to change. For example, this context, I'm going to change this into Nike Innovative, since what we're going to enter here is the Instagram feed of Nike. You could also go to the elements section and search for shoes to add more photos or graphic design that you prefer. So I'm just going to simply navigate to change everything in here. So from here, as you can see, we already had here this kind of context and elements. Then below, I'm going to add more section in which this will be the part where we're going to enter here the Instagram feed. You could also add more elements if you want to. But now to add an Instagram feed, we're going to use this platform called Helpsite, in which it is a no-code widget platform that allows users to easily add interactive and customizable features to their website without requiring technical or programming skills. All you need to do is simply sign in here and proceed by clicking all widget in here to find some of the widget and start searching for the Instagram feed, which is this one. By clicking on it, you'll be directed on this page. Then proceed by clicking create widget for free button. Upon doing so, the next thing that you need to do is to simply edit the widget right here. It will show you what it looks like below, such as to choose the template to start with. We have here profile widget, grid, small widget, hashtag, showcase, and many more. But in those option, I'm just going to choose this small widget right here. It's basically what it looks like. But if you scroll down, it will show you another kind of different widget style. And click the continue with this template. To proceed, we can now start adding the source, the layout, the prose, and even some of the style, color combination, the header section, and even the settings part in here. Moving on to our Instagram source, you can choose either add an account, which is also what I'm about to do. So just simply go to your Instagram and start searching for the kind of account you want to add in here or link to your website. For example, I'm going to search here Nike Sportswear. Notice basically the feed of it. I'm just going to simply copy the URL or the link and proceed by offsite and simply enter here the URL and click search button. Once done, the next thing that you need to do from here is to simply click done in here instead of connecting the account to Instagram, and click add the website for free button below it. After that, it will show you the embed code that you can simply use to start embedding it to our website on Canva. From here, you can also start customizing everything, but just click the publish button on the top right to proceed. And choose here the pricing plan. I'm going to choose the free one, for example. Now on this pop-up window, under the embed code, just simply copy the code right here. And then on this Canva, just simply go to the app section on the left side panel. And after that, on the search bar of it, kindly search embed code. And this is basically what it looks like, so we can start opening it. But before you start pasting the URL in here, make sure to click the Instagram option below here. And simply proceed by pasting the link in this part. Once done, it will show you what it looks like on the right side panel or on our Canva. But before that, make sure that the link that you are going to share in here on Helpsite, instead of embed code, we're going to click share link button. And in here, copy this link And after that, just simply paste it directly once again in this part and click add to design. By doing so, it will automatically beef up this Instagram feed of Nike sportswear. We can start also navigating to change the sizes of it if you want to. And once done, if you're now satisfied with this result, you can now click the publish website on the top right corner to save the changes. But overall, that is just how you can add Instagram feed to Canva website. Thank you.